Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given that there are two numbers which are in the ratio 4:5 and the sum of the two numbers is also given as 18 and thus we have to find the larger number. So let the two numbers be x and y. Now since there are two unknowns, so we have to devise two equations, two independent equations in order to solve the given question. So the first condition is that x upon y equals 4 upon 5, and this is our first condition, and the second condition is x plus y will be equals 18, right? Now from the first condition we can say that x will be equals 4k and y will be equals 5k, where k is a constant, because if we find the ratio of x upon y, then k and k will cancel out each other and it will ultimately produce 4 upon 5. Now substitute the values of x and y in equation 2. So we will have 4k plus 5k equals 18. So 9k will be equals 18. Divide both sides of the equality by 9. So k will be equals 18 upon 9, which will be equals 2. So the value of k is 2. Therefore, the value of x will be equals 4 multiplied by 2, which is equals 8, and the value of y will be equals 5 multiplied by 2, which is 10. So we can say that y is greater than x. Therefore, larger number will be equals y, which is equals 10. So this will be our final required answer. Thank you.